Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to install VLC media player in Galaxy F05. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here VLC media player. And then first of all install this VLC media player for Android and then open it and then click on next, again click on next and then allow permission of VLC media player, then allow your permissions and then go back and click on next and again click on allow. And here you can see your VLC media player will install. So this is the way to install VLC media player in Galaxy F05. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.